Hi everyone, we're here to do a lace or web pour flower. I am using Art Pour resin. It's measured by weight, not volume, which is new for me. I have mixed up about 6 ounces of resin. I'm going to pour some in my cup for my white. That should be plenty. And then I'm gonna actually mix up my white. I am using Let's Resin Ocean White because I wanna try and see how this works out. I'm gonna use a little over a pea-sized drop. It looks like maybe I have 1.5 ounces of resin in my cup. Gonna give it a good mix and see how it looks. This resin starts out thicker. So when you let it warm up, it thickens even more. And one of the issues I've had with it is making sure my white's mixed in all the way without looking stringy, because I have done this several times already, just to make sure it works. Before I do a video, I want to make sure that you guys are able to recreate it. That's my goal. If you can't recreate it, what fun is it to watch my videos? That looks like it's mixed pretty good. Just debating whether it's white enough, and I think that it is. It's a little whiter than what I would do for my bloom with this white, because this is a heavier white. If you make blooms with ocean white, you tend to get more defined or thicker edges on your bloom. All right, so it's mixed up well. Oh, the next thing I'm gonna do is put it in a piping bag. I know that a lot of people will just pour it. Oh, wait. I wanted to add Magnolia Shimmer this time from Laura's Art Corner. I forgot it in one of my last pours, and it's just not as pretty if it doesn't have some shimmer, right? This is a very lightweight shimmery powder, so you don't, you have to be careful, don't blow on it because it will blow, and you just use a very little bit. Actually, I'm gonna use even less. It just gives the white a little sparkle. Let's see if I added enough in it. We'll be able to mix it and then look at it and go, is that sparkly enough? Yeah, looks nice, right? A little sparkle, a little shimmer. All right, now we're gonna get it into our piping bag. You can use a cup, of course. I am shaky and I prefer to pipe everything, but a lot of people will just pour it into their mold. All right, I'm just tying it up here. And I'm looking for my scissors. Just double checking the temperature on my resin. I'm at 33 degrees is where you need to be. It may work warmer too, but I don't know. I haven't tried it warmer than 33 degrees. All right, now I will show you that I even am bad at piping it into the edge. Sorry about that. Someone is needing me. I have it really loud because sometimes I can't hear it. Now this is the first time I've done it with this mold too. This is from Pouring Your Heart Out. I have one from Juilliard that I generally will use. It's a little bit smaller, and I find when I'm testing these things, I like to use a smaller mold. I still have some white left. Do I want to make another ring? Nah. Let's just go and pour our clear resin into the center. Sorry about that, guys. I should have turned the sound down, but I didn't. All right. Now, I am also using Let's Resin alcohol inks. I have orchid, and purplish and peach red, not purplish red. And I'm gonna put a good bit. Going a little nuts, but I want it to have a lot of color that pulls in. Oh, and I cut this bottle way too much, so it makes a mess. right, now the color difference isn't much. One's more fluorescent, maybe this peach red is a little more fluorescent. All right. I have some of these crushed glass bits. I just, and some little balls and everything already mixed up, and that's just what I'm going to use. I'm going to try to find the center and drop it in. Well, it looks like I got the center pretty good. Now with these, sometimes I'll do a backing. It just depends how this looks. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to flow in yet. If I have some space where I'm like, oh, I can see some color from the back, I'll go ahead and add it back. If I add it back, I probably won't do it with you guys because it'll be a solid color. It won't be anything big or any design. So anyway, we'll be back. All right, we're back. I went ahead and created some resin using Le Res Deep Ocean Green, a couple drops of onyx, and this white pigment that made it more opaque. I used it for a couple projects. You'll see a couple pictures today, pictures posted with the same color green. I'm hoping that it's dark enough for this background, which is why I did add this onyx to it, because at first it was a brighter green and I thought, oh, I don't know if that's the right color for it. All right. Fingers crossed. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. The only thing I might change is one of the pigments had a little too much red or orange to it, but otherwise I love it. It's a gorgeous flower. It's perfect.